Hi, my name is Matt Rivenbark and I'm an executive sales manager at SSI SCHAEFER. Let's talk about when it makes sense to jump from manual to automated within the warehouse. So the first thing I think about is the acronym SALT, which stands for space, accuracy, labor, and throughput. Space is a physical constraint. Once you're out of it, you either have to expand or use it more efficiently. Accuracy is important because it can make or break the reputation of your business. With an automated system, you can deliver higher levels of accuracy than you could with a manual system. Labor is a major challenge for many businesses. Automation provides consistency in an evolving labor market. Throughput is the end result of these three factors: space, accuracy, and labor. At the end of the day, are you able to get what you need out of the door? Automation is a proven way to increase throughput. If you need to use your space more efficiently, improve your accuracy, optimize your labor, or increase your throughput, then it's time to make the jump to automation.